In this video, we will show you how to change the tail light bulb on your Ford Fusion. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. The tail light is equipped with LED bulbs. The inner tail light is the only one equipped with a halogen bulb. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ford Fusion Car Battery. Open the trunk. Using a fork, remove the holding rivets. Then shift the carpet. Disconnect the connector by pressing on the plastic tab and pulling it. Using a ratchet, an extender, and an 11mm socket, unscrew the 3 nuts holding the inner tail light. You can also use a wrench to help you. You can now remove the light. To remove the reverse light bulb socket from the taillight housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. To remove the bulb, simply pull on it. You can order the bulb used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Take the taillight, put the light back in, then screw the retaining nuts back in. Plug the electrical connector back in. Put the carpet back in place. Put the rivets back in place. Close the trunk. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.